Can you see yourself in the 2018 Chevrolet Colorado? With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Colorado delivers the power you need to get the job done, the comfort and amenities you want, and the fuel efficiency that just makes sense in today's world. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. The Colorado takes care of business without sacrificing comfort and convenience. Take it out for a drive and see for yourself.